Hello, my name is Claire, and I did my placement at Love Holidays on optimizing the price of package holidays. So Love Holidays is an e-commerce website that allows its users to book package holidays. So its unique selling points are the competitive prices that it offers, along with the option given to users to explore their website fully without entering any search terms. So this offers a bit more flexibility to the user. Over the past few years, they've experienced large profits and growth. So now, it's more important than ever that they provide the best prices to their customers. So what is the challenge? As is often the case with e-commerce, although many customers come to the Love Holidays website, very few actually go on to book a package holiday. Just 1 in 100 sessions end in a booking. So the challenge here is to increase the number of bookings on the Love Holidays website. One of the most effective ways of increasing the number of bookings is by applying discounts. But how do you know where to apply discounts in a way that is still profitable for the company? Applying discounts is inherently risky because if you were to apply discounts to groups of customers who are insensitive to price, you would not increase the number of bookings when you apply the discount, and also you're making less per purchase. So companies can lose profit in this way. So in my project, I asked if we can use historical data as a way to find out about the effects of pricing on customer behavior. So this was a less risky method. In my project, I used an XGBoost model that was trained on historical data to ask questions about the effects of pricing on both bookings on the Love Holidays website and also profits made by Love Holidays for different customer groups. So the data consisted of sessions on the Love Holidays website. So for each user, there was information on pricing, the destination people were interested in, the hotel, and also booking details. And finally, the labels that we're interested in. So whether or not the person actually booked a holiday, shown here by a tick and a cross. So I trained a model to predict whether or not people booked holidays, since we're interested in maximizing the number of bookings. And when I tested this, the performance of the model on data that was unseen during training, I found a true positive rate of 0.7, when ideally this would be 1, and a false positive rate of 0.4, when ideally this would be 0. These results show that the model performs above chance, and therefore it was adequate for the purposes of this project. And finally, I used this trained model to ask questions about the effect of discounting on customer behavior, so on whether or not people tended to book holidays, and also the effect on profit. So we're particularly interested in price-sensitive customers. So if you imagine this as a group of price-sensitive customers, these would be people who maybe at the original price did not book a holiday, but then if we were to decrease the price by a margin, then change their behavior and start booking holidays. So this plot here shows the effects of discounting on the number of bookings for 3 different customer groups. I can't say what these groups are because it's commercially sensitive information. But you can see for the 3 groups, there's an increase in bookings as a function of the discount applied. So you might think that they're all good candidates for applying discounts. However, it's also important to consider the profits made by Love Holidays when these discounts are applied. So here you can see the uplift in profits as a function of the discount applied for the same 3 groups. And you can see that it's actually profitable for Love Holidays to apply discounts to groups A and B but not to Group C. So this is an example of how this simulation-based approach can provide insights into to which people you should give discounts to and who you should not give discounts to. In conclusion, the impact of this project was based on my simulation results. Loveholidays will be able to deploy real-world experiments in the form of A/B tests. And my approach will allow them to run less but better quality A/B tests. Applying discounts in a smart way will both improve customer satisfaction, thus attracting more users to the Loveholidays website, and also increase profits and growth for the company. Thank you.